Tired of low battery anxiety? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger is your ultimate solution for staying powered up. Imagine charging your iPhone 6 times over, or topping up multiple devices on a single charge. That's the massive power this Anker battery pack delivers. Whether you're traveling, camping, or just out all day, this external battery ensures you stay connected. What makes it special is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device for the fastest possible safe charge. No more slow charging, just optimal power delivery tailored specifically for your smartphone or tablet. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, sharing the charge with a friend, or keeping your phone and headphones ready. This convenience makes it an indispensable gadget for busy individuals or families on the go. Ready to upgrade your charging experience? Check the link in the description below to grab your own Anker PowerCore 20,000 on Amazon. It's not just a power bank, it's peace of mind, offering robust build quality and reliability that makes it a top choice for anyone needing a high-capacity mobile charger. For unparalleled portability and charging power, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 is genuinely the best portable charger you can invest in for 2025.